Today, let's practice using a mantra. A mantra is a word, phrase, or sound that we use to help our mind calm down, giving us the ability to focus better. Your mantra can be anything. Some commonly used mantras are Putto, Om, or Sammarahang. Or it can simply be relax, Sabai, clear and bright. The mantra is a great tool to bring our mind back when it has been wandering. So when you are ready, let us sit comfortably and gently close our eyes. Remember to relax your body and take in a deep breath. Allow the cool, calming air to help you relax. Once you are relaxed and comfortable, let us gently say our mantra in our mind. You don't have to say it out loud. Allow the sound to come from deep within. The mantra will help us center and calm our mind when it begins to wander. The mantra we like to use: Samma Arahang, Samma Arahang, Samma Arahang. Your mantra is your tool to help your mind calm down and be at ease. So allow your mantra to help you feel at ease. Samma Arahang, Samma Arahang. Samma Arahang. Now, let us continue in silence. Now, let us take in one more deep breath, and slowly and gently coming back. Take your time. You don't need to completely come out yet, but notice how you feel right now that we have finished our meditation. The mantra is a good tool to help us release and relax, allowing our mind to have a gentle focus. And for many of you, the mantra may have resonated with you more deeply. Sounds can give a nice vibration, which makes us naturally relax and feel at ease. So as you continue to practice, feel free to use the mantra to help you relax or bring your mind back. For our next session, we will learn about the center of the body,